Hey everyone, my name is Sanskar. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe to my channel as I bring out regular content, tech content for students, for entrepreneurs, for basically everyone, right? Yeah, so this video is very different. I don't usually make these kind of videos. It's an unboxing video. So recently I attended the Twilio Signal conference as a VIP because I got the scholarship because I applied for it. They sent us swag kits to all VIPs, so we're gonna open it. I received this kit a couple of weeks back, and I opened it then only because I was eager to know what's inside. But I had to make a video on it, so yeah, here it goes. So I open the box, and then we have a leaflet that Twilio Signal 2021, and it says, "Hey Signal VIP, we're glad to have you. Get your swag on from Team Twilio." Very nice, very cute. Then we have the main item. Then we have this bag. If you can see it clearly, it's a very good quality bag. It's very nice. It's very colorful. It's very creative. Yep. So let's open it and see what else do we have here. Wow. Yay. So okay. So we have three things here. Basically, we have three things here. We have the Swilio. We have the Twilio Signal 2021 T-shirt. If you can see it clearly, and it's a nice T-shirt. And then we have another laptop bag. It folds inside out. And this item I liked very much. It's not common in Swags, but they sent me, and I love this pair of socks. And if you know me, if you follow me on Instagram, you know that I like to do gym and all. So be ready to watch these bad boys in action. And if you want to follow me on Instagram, I'll leave the link in the description. Also, I will leave my LinkedIn, Twitter, Discord, all links in the description. Be sure to follow me, to connect with me. You want to suggest anything, you can DM me. I'm very free to connect, and let's catch up. This first video, it was just a small unboxing video. If you like the video, please press the like button and the bell icon and comment on the video. Also share it with your friends, and please subscribe to my channel as it motivates me to make better content for you. And
Battery
that's
is
for
low. Please recharge in time.